Everyone, this is Bilal Vijay Pense, and let's see what the last extended week of November 2020, that is the 22nd to the 30th of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Sagittarius. For the Sagittarius, it is absolutely advisable that you don't take on any new work, whether personally or professionally, for this entire week, because there are chances that the work might not take off. Things will be very slow, and there's going to be a lot of backlog of the previous work. So this entire week it is actually advisable that you tie up the loose ends of your previous job. If there's any kind of a pending work, be it personally or professionally, use this extended week of November 2020 to finish off all the pending work and not take on new work, because if you take on the new work, it will do nothing but simply add on to the load of the existing work. So this extended weekend of November, simply use it to finish off anything that is left or pending has been asking for your attention, be it personally, be it professionally. Moving on to your space of work, as I mentioned, your pending work will take a lot of time to finish. You might feel very claustrophobic, you might feel very irritated. A way to solve this and to finish your pending work a tad quickly is to change the way you approach your work. Let's say change the way of your technique, the way you approach your work, your functioning style. A little bit of change, a little bit of tweaking will give in some speed to the work, and you will be able to finish it a little bit quickly. Also, there are chances you might feel alone at work. You might feel everybody is supposed to do the work, but I'm the only one who's doing it and nobody is responsible. Any which ways, this is a week where at work you might find your colleagues not supporting you and feeling claustrophobic and alone as it is. So see to it that you at least effectively complete your responsibility and your portion of work, so that at least you're not blamed for not doing your work on time at your place of work. You can definitely pay attention to this for the entire week of November 2020. Cooperation is a little bit less seen from your own people, so it is better that you try to do your work as much as possible on your own without asking for help, which will be actually very reluctantly given. Moving on to the space of finances. Now, this is an area where there will be financial losses if you take on something new for this entire week. So for example, if you're investing in a new project, if you're investing in some new venture, this entire week the start will not be good. In fact, apart from the start not being good, you might actually have some financial losses which might make you feel bad or very put off for the entire project. This may not be necessarily true, it's just that this particular week is not a good week to start off with something. The rate of growth or the speed of progress is going to be less for this month. So don't invest in anything new which will eventually bring you disappointment, especially till the 30th of November. Moving on to the space of relationships. Yes, now this is a space where you can expect a lot of love, cooperation and understanding from your own people. If in case you are into a little bit of a financial mess and need some financial advice or even a little bit of a financial help, it will absolutely be very welcomely given by your own family members and your near and your loved ones. So you will feel very nice and positive and supported by your folks. Moving on to the space of health. This is a very good month for you. This is a very good week rather for you to change your lifestyle. So if you've been thinking about some major lifestyle changes for the sake of your health, the last extended week of November 30 till the 30th of November is a very good week to do that. It will take time. Sit through your decisions, look at both sides of the coin, select the best option, and then simply proceed to start off doing your thing by for this entire extended week of November 2020. It's a good period to start off with something new for the sake of your health. Yes, your comments and your responses are absolutely welcome. Do let me know how you feel about the predictions. What are your experiences? Feel free to DM me or leave your comments in the comment box, and I will be very happy to read them. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy week ahead.